Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Today,
Good
today you
morning,
will,
ma'am.
today you will listen the discussion of question answer of chapter heat. Chapter was completed, but question answer couldn't be discussed. So today I will discuss question answer, and after completion of question answer, we will start new chapter respiration in organisms. Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
So firstly you will do
Ma'am, कौन सा chapter का?
heat.
Yes.
Chapter heat. Question answer of chapter heat you will complete today. First question is fill in the blanks. Had I discussed? I think I had discussed this question. Fill in the blanks I had discussed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Then next question will be discussed. Write true or false for the following statements. Question is write true or false for the following statements. First is heat cannot be produced by doing work. False.
Ma'am, false. Ma'am, false.
Yes. Write down false. Next is no gaps are left between the rails of railway tracks. False.
Ma'am, false. Ma'am, false.
All of you know thermal expansion takes place in solid, liquid and gas. Here thermal expansion of solid takes place. That is why gap is left between the rails of railway tracks. So it is false. Next is poor conductors of heat are also called good insulators of heat. True. Poor conductors of heat are also called good insulators of heat. It is correct. Right to true. Next, fourth number, ventilators when provided in rooms are located near their roofs. True. True. Next question, a material medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of radiation. False. Material medium is not required for transfer of heat by radiation. So it is false. Okay. Next is tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. Okay. First is a copper ball at 30 degrees Celsius is put in a container containing water at 30 degrees Celsius. In this case, listen children.
There would be no transfer of heat between the copper ball and water.
Because the copper ball and water both have same temperature. For the transfer of heat, difference in temperature of the two objects are required. So it is a copper ball at 30 degrees Celsius is put in a container containing water at 30 degrees Celsius. In this case, you have to take there will be no transfer of heat between the copper ball and water. Okay children, you have taken the last option is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
No. Now next page number is
76.
the reading of the laboratory thermometer in figure shows here is what is the reading of thermometer?
10.8 degrees Celsius.
How much?
10.8 degrees Celsius.
18 degrees Celsius.
One of you will speak, all of you will not speak together. Here 0, 30, 20, 10, then 5 like this. So it is in decreasing order from the top. After 30 it is 20, means 2. Each reading is one line means 2. So it is 18 degree Celsius. Okay children?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to take 18 degrees Celsius.
Yes, ma'am. I will take.
All of you have taken?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now next question is it is not convenient to use the laboratory thermometer to measure our body temperature. This is so because its range is small. As the temperature is taken out from the mouth, the level of mercury in it immediately starts falling. Correct. Our body does not transfer heat to its bulb. It takes a very long time to acquire the temperature of body. So you have to take this option. As the thermometer is taken out from the mouth, the level of mercury in it immediately starts falling. This one is correct. Okay children? Because in laboratory thermometer there is no bulb and kink is also not there. Sorry, kink is not there. Constriction is not there. In clinical thermometer there is constriction which does not allow the height of the or thread of mercury level to fall down. But in laboratory thermometer there is no constriction. I had shown you thermometer. समझ में आ रहा है? लेबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर में हाँ लेबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर में कंस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं होता है. कंस्ट्रिक्शन को किंक भी बोलते हैं, जिसकी वजह से वो मरकरी का लेवल जो है वो नीचे आ जाता है. लेकिन क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर में मरकरी लेवल नीचे नहीं आता है क्योंकि उसमें कंस्ट्रिक्शन और किंक होता है. तो आपको कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट करना है? सेकंड नंबर. Next question. When we hold our hands close to the side of a flame, they get warmed up mainly due to radiation. All of you take radiation. Yes. Next question. 5. The freezer compartment in a refrigerator is usually put near its top. This provides good cooling throughout the refrigerator through convection current. Through the setting up of convection currents in the air inside the refrigerator. All of you take this option 3. The setting up of convection currents in the air inside the refrigerator.
Ma'am, the third option.
Yes, third option is correct.
Yes, ma'am. The setting up of convection current in the refrigerator.
Now the next page number you will proceed. Proceed to next page number, that is question answer D1. Short answer have you done in the book with the help of pencil, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, very good. Now next, D1. In which direction does the transfer of heat normally takes place? Okay, underline in the
Ma'am, from
book.
body at
It
higher
takes place
temperature to
from
the body
higher
of lower
temperature to
temperature.
lower temperature. Okay,
Ma'am,
transfer
it
of,
is in page number 74. You must know first point.
yes, all of you do. Page number 74. You must know first point. Transfer of heat energy always takes place from the body at a higher temperature to that at a lower temperature. Transfer of heat energy takes place from the body at a higher temperature to that of a lower temperature. All of you have taken, underlined?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Next, D2. What is the cause of heat generation in the following situations? Okay. We apply brakes on our fast moving car. What is the cause of
Ma'am,
heat
friction.
generation?
Ma'am, friction.
Very good. This question, answer of this question you will say one by one, and if it will be wrong then I will correct it. We apply brakes in our fast moving car. What is the cause of heat generation? Friction.
Ma'am, friction.
Very good. Correct answer. Next, B. People often jump up and down to feel warmer in cold weather. What is the cause of heat generation?
Ma'am. Ma'am, radiation.
Can any one of you answer?
Ma'am, thermal expansion.
No, 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 no.
Ma'am, radiation.
People often jump up and down to feel warmer in colder weather. What is the cause of heat generation? Motion. Change in motion. When people jump up and down due to motion, the heat energy is generated. Okay? Because when we do exercise, what happens? Heat energy is generated. Next, so change in motion. Due to change in the motion, the heat energy is generated. Next is state two types of physical changes that may take place when a substance is heated. Two types of physical
Change in
changes.
temperature and thermal expansion.
Yes, or change in temperature also. Any two you can mention. First
Ma'am,
is
change of state also.
change in temperature, change of state, and thermal expansion. Any two you can mention. Here you have been asked only two types of physical changes that may take place when a substance is heated. State means explain. You have to write about the point also. First point you can write down, change in temperature. Okay, addition on or removal of heat can cause change in temperature of the substance. Second thing you can write, change in state. When a substance is heated, solid may change into liquid and liquid may change into gas. Similarly, when heat is removed, the gas may be changed into liquid and the liquid may be changed into solid. So here you see it is physical change that is brought about by the heat energy. Next question is, next question.
Can I say in the question?
Okay. In what
ways does a clinical thermometer differ from an ordinary thermometer?
underline in the book and listen to me also. Clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of human being or living things, whereas it is used by the doctors. Okay, and laboratory thermometer is ordinary thermometer is not used by the doctor to measure the body temperature. Okay, children. Next point
Ma'am,
you
can
will.
I say one point?
Yes,
Can I
say.
say, ma'am?
Say one by
The
one.
range of the chemical thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, while that of the ordinary laboratory thermometer from 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius.
Not 10, it is minus 10 degrees Celsius.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
you
it is
can.
in page number 74. You must know 7 point.
Yes, all of you underline page number 74. You must know 7 points. And one more point you can add, children. Children, you add one more point. In clinical thermometer, there is presence of a constriction or kink, K-I-N-K.
Yes, ma'am.
Kink is present in clinical thermometer. In ordinary thermometer, kink is not present, it is absent.
Yes, ma'am.
In clinical thermometer, mercury thread does not fall down even after taking the thermometer from the mouth. But in ordinary thermometer, the mercury thread may fall down. Okay, these points you can mention. Next question is, question number 5. State the different modes of heat transfer in the following situations. Now you will answer, children, very easy. You have to say the name of the mode of transfer of heat in following situation. All of you know there are 3 modes of transfer of heat. First is conduction, second convection, and third is radiation. And you also know that conduction takes place in solid, convection takes place in liquid and gas, and radiation there is no material medium. So now all of you are in the position to answer this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But all of you will not answer at a time. One by one you will give the answer.
Ma'am, can I say?
A paper cup full of hot soup lying on a table.
Conduction. Convection mode. Ma'am, convection.
Yes, correct. Convection. A paper cup full of hot soup lying on a table. The soup will become cold because the heat of the cup will be transferred to the surrounding.
Of higher temperature to lower temperature.
So write down, it is convection. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is,
Yes, ma'am.
cooking vegetables in a pan.
Ma'am, conduction.
Yes, children, wonderful. Because you know that the cooking vessels allow the heat of the flame to be transferred to the food item so that it can be cooked. So you have seen pan means vessel. The cooking vessels are good conductors. So here they are solid. So in solid, conduction takes place. All of you will write which method of transfer of heat? Conduction.
Conduction.
Very good, correct. Next, melting of a chocolate bar in the school bag on a hot day.
Radiation.
Very good, children.
Process take place.
Yes, the heat of the sun allows the chocolate to melt. It is due to radiation. Very good. Next question is, cooking food in a microwave oven.
Ma'am, radiation.
Radiation. Very good.
Ma'am, radiation.
Correct. Cooking food in a microwave oven. It is radiation. Next question. What is meant by sea breeze? When does it occur? All of you have led
Ma'am, can I
children.
say?
Children,
Ma'am,
firstly you
the breeze
listen
that
to me.
flows from
Firstly you listen to me, then you will say the answer. During the daytime, what happens? Due to the heat of the sun, the land becomes warmer than the sea. Okay? The land becomes warmer more quickly than the sea. So air above the land becomes hotter and lighter, and it rises up, and the pressure of the air on the land becomes low. Okay, near the land the air pressure is low. Now near the sea, just above the sea, air is there, and that air is colder in comparison to land, and so they rushes from the above of the sea towards the land to take its place, because there near the sea the air pressure is high. So the air from above the sea rushes towards the land where there is low air pressure. This moving of air from sea towards land is called sea breeze. When does it occur? It occurs during the daytime. Okay, you underline in the book, and diagram also you will draw.
Ma'am, it is in keywords.
You can write from keyword, or you can write from chapter also, and draw the diagram of sea breeze also.
Okay, ma'am.
Diagram you have to draw with pencil, and you will not
Yes,
color
ma'am.
the diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next question is question number E1. In the arrangement shown in the figure, pins A, B, C and D are fixed to a circular metal loop with the help of wax. Okay children, see the diagram. Circular loop is there, and pins are fixed at
What
point
is
A,
loop?
B, C, D as shown in the diagram. Now the circular metal loop is heated up at the point A with the help of a candle flame. In which order would the pin fall if AB is less than AD? Justify your answer. AB
Ma'am, I
is...
can't understand.
Okay, I will make you understand. I will make you understand. Don't worry.
मैम मुझे समझ
सर्कुलर
What is loop?
लूप जो ये गोल सा बना हुआ है ना, उसी को लूप कह रहे हैं. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
और यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, कैंडल फ्लेम से हम लोग गर्म कर रहे हैं पॉइंट ए के पास. ठीक है. और इन विच ऑर्डर वुड द, आपने पढ़ा है ना कि इन कंडक्शन हीट इज ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम हॉटर एंड टू कोल्डर एंड. पढ़े हैं ना. एक एंड इफ यू हीट वन एंड देन द अदर एंड ऑल्सो बिकम्स हॉट. तो यहाँ पर ए को गर्म कर रहे हैं, तो उसके बाद हीट कहाँ जाएगा, बी के पास जाएगा.
बी के पास.
और बी के बाद फिर कहाँ जाएगा,
बी के पास.
एंड आफ्टर दैट लास्टली इट विल गो टू डी. तो अब ये ऑर्डर क्या होगा जाने का, ए बी. यहाँ पर ए बी इज लेस देन ए डी. डिस्टेंस आपने उसमें देखा था एक्टिविटी में कि डिस्टेंस सेम था, और यहाँ पर डिस्टेंस क्या है, ए से डी ज़्यादा दूर पे है उस, और मतलब ए बी जो है उसका डिस्टेंस ए डी से कम है. ठीक है. तो कह रहा है in which order would the pin fall if AB is less than AD? बोलिए कोई, any one of you, can any one of you answer? AB का डिस्टेंस कम है, AB का डिस्टेंस कम है, लेकिन AD का डिस्टेंस ज़्यादा है. तो ये किस ऑर्डर में पिन गिरेगा,
मैम ए बी इज लेस देन मैम AD के डिस्टेंस
ए बी से स्टार्ट होगा गिरना. ओके.
Ma'am, it is started from hotter end to colder end.
Hotter. The heat will transfer from point A to point D, and the
Yes, ma'am.
the pin of point A will fall down first because it is hotter end, and the pin of D will fall last because it is at the colder end. Heat is transferred from hot end to cold end. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
यही आंसर है, कुछ नहीं है इसमें. वही बात इसी में भी पूछा गया है जो आपने पढ़ा था. ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट टेक्स प्लेस फ्रॉम हॉट एंड टू कोल्ड एंड. So the pin will fall down one by one from point A to D. Firstly, pin of point A will fall down, then pin of B point will fall down, then pin of C point will fall down, and lastly the pin of point D will fall down. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Justify your answer, what you have to answer, because we know that the transfer of heat takes place from hot end to cold end.
Cold.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next question is, page number 78.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Give reason for the following. You have to write the reason. Iron rims are heated red hot before fixing them on cart wheels. Why iron rims are heated red hot before fixing them on cart wheels? Because thermal expansion takes place in the iron wheel when it is heated red hot. So after cooling down, it can fix in the cart easily. Okay, children? So what is the cause?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the reason? Due to thermal expansion. You can underline in the book. Thermal expansion. I am reading out answer of the question. I made you understand that due to thermal expansion, the iron rims, when heated, it becomes red hot, and when it is cooled down, then the diameter of the metal rim is a little bit less than the diameter of the cart wheel. So it can slip in the cart wheel and can fit in the cart wheel. Now you underline in the book. I am reading out. All of you underline. The metal rim to be put on a cart wheel is designed to have a smaller diameter than that of the wheel. When this rim is heated, it becomes red hot, expands and slips on the wheel easily. When it is cooled, it contracts and grips the wheel firmly. All of you have underlined, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Underline in the book.
Yes, ma'am. Underline. It is in page number 61.
Okay, all of you underline in page number 61. Now next.
Thermal expansion, third line.
Okay, underline it. Next question. A clinical thermometer has a slight bend or kink in its capillary tube. Why a clinical thermometer has a slight bend or kink in its capillary tube? I have told you, children, that A kink is there in clinical thermometer, so that when the thermometer is taken out from the mouth, the mercury thread may not fall down, and we may observe the correct reading of our body temperature. So a kink is there. Now you underline in the book. All of you underline in the book. It is given.
Yes.
Page number. Page number. What is page number in your book?
Ma'am, 65. I'm 60.
Okay, all of you underline in page number 65. The constriction or kink is same thing. The constriction ensures that mercury thread does not fall back by itself after this thermometer has been used to measure the temperature of a person. The reading can therefore be taken conveniently. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have understood also?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Kink is there which prevents the falling down of mercury thread when the thermometer is taken out from our mouth. So we can know the correct temperature of our body. Next is, a new quilt is warmer than an old one. Children, you have read, air is a poor conductor of heat, and quilt traps the air, and trapping of air is better in new quilt than old quilt. So this air does not allow the heat of our body to escape out. Therefore new quilt is warmer than an old one. Quilt means रजाई. पुराना रजाई से अच्छा गर्म नया रजाई क्यों होता है चिल्ड्रन? क्योंकि आप जानते हैं कि एयर इज अ पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट, और ट्रैपिंग ऑफ एयर इज बेटर इन न्यू क्विल्ट. ठीक है, क्विल्ट में एयर का ट्रैपिंग ज़्यादा होता है, इसीलिए एयर पुअर कंडक्टर है, हमारे बॉडी के हीट को बाहर नहीं जाने देता है, इसीलिए हम लोग ज़्यादा वार्म फील करते हैं न्यू क्विल्ट में. तो इसका रीज़न 2 लाइन है चिल्ड्रन. 2 बात आपको ध्यान में रखना है. फर्स्ट, एयर इज अ पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट. सेकेंड, न्यू क्विल्ट, in new quilt trapping of air is better, so this air does not allow the heat of our body to escape out in the surrounding and we feel warmer. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
आप
What we write after new quilt?
न्यू
Trapping of air.
ट्रैपिंग ऑफ एयर मतलब उसमें एयर ज़्यादा आ जाता है. ट्रैप मीन्स किसी चीज़ को लेना.
What we write?
ट्रैप मीन्स किसी चीज़ को लेना. जैसे आप फोटोसिंथेसिस में देखते हैं, लीफ में क्लोरोफिल